This is incredibly easy. Kettle of water. While that's going to the boil, we're going to prep the ingredients for our mocha. You need basically equal parts, or whatever proportions you like, of sugar, instant espresso powder, and cocoa powder. Stir. You don't have to do this part, but I like to add a little bit of salt. I pour about 1 tablespoon of water into here. Stir it thoroughly until everything's dissolved. Add milk. If you want to turn this into a hot mocha, pop it in the microwave for a couple minutes. If you want to drink it iced, pop it in the fridge for a couple hours and then pour it into a glass with some ice. I'm going to do the latter because it's 100 degrees today. And behold, it's extremely easy to make and much cheaper than Starbucks or the supermarket goodness.